Hi everybody, it's Mark with Palmer Johnson Power Systems. We get a lot of customers calling in about transfer cases. They either need a service replacement, they need a swing, they need a core, or they may have a new application. There's a few pieces of information we're going to need if you need help with your existing transfer case and you want to replace it. We need either the existing spec tag so we can get more information on what you're currently running, or we need an application data sheet filled and completed out and returned, and we can offer a solution to get you up and going. Once we get your application details back, we can get you in touch with a market expert at pjpower.com. When trying to identify your transfer case needs, there's several important pieces of information that we need to know, like the input arrangement, whether it's on an engine or a transmission, how you want it clocked. There's several different ways we can mount it on the engine in relation to your outputs. Then how many outputs do you need? What kind of disconnects do you need? As you can see, there's different flanges depending on your specific application. For more information on this product and others, please visit us on the web at pjpower.com.